Hey, what's up everybody? Today I'll be reviewing the Stiga Raptor table tennis paddle. I am an avid ping pong player and I needed a new paddle a bit ago, so I chose to purchase this one. And overall, this has been an excellent choice so far. I'm very happy with it. I think if you're, more advanced or even in the beginner stages of playing ping pong, this is going to be a good paddle for you. But what I like about this paddle, it has a flared handle. It's just easy to grip. It's lightweight. Advertised as a 7-ply, so it's very durable, sturdy. And again, you get the lightweight, which is important. And then the grip here, it's going to be just flat. You got your black and red, and it definitely gives off good spin. So there's definitely that, whether you're speed or spin focus, is going to be a great paddle, and I think you'll be very happy with it, as I am.